Are you tired of Outlook asking for your password every single time you log in? Let's fix that so you can stay signed in without the constant interruptions. Start by going to the official Outlook login page on the Microsoft 365 website. Double check the URL so you know you're on the right site. Once there, click Sign In and enter the email address linked to your Outlook account. Take a moment to make sure there are no typos before clicking Next. Now, type in your password carefully. Remember that passwords are case sensitive, so be precise. If you often forget your password, a password manager can make this easier. After entering it, click Sign In. Here's the important part. You'll see a screen asking if you want to stay signed in. Select Yes, and make sure to check the box that says Keep me signed in. This tells Outlook to remember your login details, which prevents it from asking for your password over and over again. From now on, Outlook will keep you signed in on your personal device, saving you time and frustration. Just remember, if you're using a shared or public computer, it's best not to stay signed in for security reasons. And that's it. A simple change that makes logging into Outlook smoother and hassle-free. If this helped, don't forget to check out my other tutorials for more quick tech fixes.